Hi everybody, welcome back on another technical demo around the Quarkus application. This video, I'm going to walk you through how to consume the reactive gRPC service with the Quarkus Mutiny application. So this is the second part of the how to implement gRPC service on top of the Quarkus. If you don't have any chance to watch the first video, please make sure to watch the first one because it'll be very helpful to understand how to implement gRPC extension on the Quarkus framework. All right, let's get started. So there are a couple more ways to consume gRPC on the Quarkus application. We learned about the blocking API consumption in the demo one, and we're going to talk a little bit about the reactive on Mutiny in the Quarkus application. And you can also inject gRPC channel in the Quarkus application as well. Let's go through the demo, how it works. All right, this is the existing my application we implement in the demo one, how to implement blocking gRPC. Let's take a look at that one more time to recap very quickly. So go to the hello world protocol file. We defined a couple more, a few options like a Java multiple files and a package name here. And more importantly, we define service name like a gRPC and exchange message and hello request and reply. And also we extend a hello service based on generated gRPC implementation base. And in order to consume and actually invoke the gRPC service, we use the gRPC annotation, and also we use the stub file, the grid blocking stub. And the my Quarkus application already running as a development mode. And let's try to using reflection API to make sure this gRPC is invoked. And I got the right result, hello Daniel. And also I tried to access endpoint, actual endpoint, and I got the same result, hello Daniel. All right, so this application is still working properly. Okay, let's try to add the Mutiny extension to consume Mutiny, the gRPC service here. Okay, so we just added the Mutiny extension. So Mutiny is the reactive program library allowing to express and compose asynchronous action. So first of all, we just needed to change the service here. Let's say change the name first, the reactive hello service. We need to change the class name as well along with the file name, the reactive hello service here. And then we just let's try to delete the existing code and delete the extension here. So we need to extend the Mutiny implementation base rather than the blocking. So we extend the newly and then override the new method, public the unit type and hello. So Mutiny offers two type of the asynchronous action like a uni, and you can have some different type multi-item stream based on multi-stream. So in this case, we're going to use the uni types when you invoke the Mutiny program library for reactive system. And the return the object is a uni, just create a form and item, and then the same say hello, and the item is, so we're gonna put the hello reply. So we're gonna new build the message here. The same message is came from the Mutiny and hello, and we're gonna add the parameter name from the request add get name here. Okay, so we just created new reactive services based on singleton CDI beans. All right, and also we can delete unrequired info file to make clean the Java classes here. All right, here is the resource file. Okay, let's try to change that the endpoint first. So endpoint is a blocking. Maybe we're gonna change that more, make it clear. So go to let's say the Mutiny, and also the method name. Maybe change the blocking. The replace the Mutiny, replace the blocking, and then the CDI injection, we're going to change that, the reactive, we're going to use the uh, Mutiny stop file, because we need to invoke the Mutiny greater gRPC service in this case. So Mutiny gRPC, this all gRPC stop file was generated automatically when you define in your hello world protofile. All right, so change that, invoke the Mutiny hello service here and say hello and the same request, and we need to new build the request message, and then this is on item. This is not string type, and on item, and transform this message to hello reply as the return message here, and a get message as we define in a service. And one more thing we need to do, we change the return type. Here we use the string return type when you consume blocking gRPC, but in this case we need to muni or multi. So in this case we already defined the unit type with the string in a service. So that's why we need to replace the unit string type. All right, let's try to invoke endpoint once again, to recompile packaging and redeploy my running on top of my running Quarkus here. And let's try to reflection API first to, this is totally working. So Mutiny, hello, Daniel. Okay, is totally working my reactive gRPC consumption. Okay, let's try to one more time to access the actual endpoint, the HTTP and hello and a mutiny and a parameter like a Daniel O, so my name, and it should be returned with the mutiny hello and comma Daniel O. Yeah, totally working. So this is the how to consume the reactive the gRPC programming on Quarkus. All right, just to recap what we run today. So we're gonna run how to consume the reactive gRPC on Quarkus application. Also, we already know how to implement a gRPC, specifically broking API on Quarkus extension. I think it's very helpful for you to implement reactive or traditional broking API using gRPC service on top of the Quarkus application framework. And please make sure subscribe my YouTube channel for the next interesting and practical example. Thank you for watching today and have a good rest of the day.